Shree Sisters! Today we are here with a very tasty, healthy and easy recipe. Dekshi, do you know what it is?
I'm thinking. Yes!
Tell.
Sprout salad.
Well done!
दीदी इसको तो भिगोना पड़ता है ना?
हाँ, पहले हम इसको 12 घंटे भिगोएंगे, उसके बाद कपड़े में बांधेंगे और फिर इसका जर्मिनेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा।
मुझे इसकी पूंछें बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें। So let's get started with the ingredients. So the ingredients are sprouted chana, sprouted moong, sprouted moth, soaked peanuts, soaked cashews, chopped cucumber, tomato and onion, grated fresh coconut, red salt and rock salt, raisins, coriander leaf, lemon juice, black pepper, dried pudina powder, roasted cumin. So let's get started with the recipe. Sprouted food is a complete food. It keeps a person healthy and disease-free. Sprouts are a good source of instant energy. We should eat raw and uncooked food. After putting the 3 sprouts, I will add other things. Eat the sprout raw only because on cooking its nutritive value decreases.
दीदी मुझे बहुत मस्त खुशबू आ रही है।
अच्छा? Do you want to taste?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a second. Now you can taste it.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching.